Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and if you don't know me, my name is Divya and I make videos on skincare. So today I'm going to be reviewing a face mask that I got from Ikkai, and it's the Sea Glow Face Souffle mask. First of all, it's a brightening face mask, and look at the packaging. The packaging is so attractive. I have been eyeing on Ikkai products for a long time. I want to try them out, and I'm feeling lucky that today I got it in PR and I'm finally reviewing it. Vitamin C is said to be a holy grail product for all the skin related issues. Vitamin C not only improvises your skin tone or texture, it also hydrates your skin. Researchers have discovered that when it comes to a healthy skin, the topical vitamin C is significantly effective than consuming it. Adding vitamin C into your skincare routine not only brighten up your face but also protect against skin damage caused by harmful rays of sun. You will find this antioxidant in a lot of face wash, oils, serums, moisturizers, and now Ikkai has introduced it in a face pack. Vitamin C is antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and it offers a lot of benefits to the skin. It makes collagen, heal wounds, improve skin tone, removes pigmentation, dark spots, and reduces the signs of aging. Talking specifically about this product, it has vitamin C, palm oil, Kakadu Plum extracts, Mandarin Oranges, and Niacinamide. This face mask is specifically formulated to remove tan and retain the healthy glow. If I look into the ingredient list, it's 100% safe and meant for all skin type, and the texture, oh my god, it seems like a dessert, and the fragrance is amazing. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.